Craving for some sweets? Here's a level of flavored leche flans of Chito and Princess San Diego. You can choose from their wide varieties of flavors of flan desserts. Kaya ikaw ka Pinoy, what's your flan?
Ang negosyo parang bola lang yan or parang gulong, paikot-ikot. Sometimes you're on top, sometimes you're at the bottom. But when you're at the bottom, you have to wait until you go back on top.
You need to have the proper values when you do business. Marami kasing tao nagnenegosyo only because they want profit agad.
Hi, I'm Chino San Diego.
Hi, I'm Chef Princess San Diego.
And we are the owners of What's Your Flan International Group of Franchise Companies. What's Your Flan is a dessert company. So we offer flavored leche flans. So we are a flan-based dessert company that offers the home-based franchise system.
Since we are innovating leche flan, so we started with matcha leche flan, and then eventually, ngayon nasa 100 recipes na kami. We're trying to incorporate leche flan in different desserts like ice cream or gelato, cakes, at napakadami pang iba. So yung mga flavors natin, yung typical na alam ng mga Filipino like mango, dark chocolate, strawberry. Leche flan, that's my #1 favorite dessert ever since. So, I started with leche flan na nag-add ako ng matcha flavor, and then eventually, nung pinost ko siya sa Facebook, maraming nagka-interest sa bumili, and yung mga kliyenta ng asawa ko, sila yung mga unang customers ko. After that, yun na, dumami na yung mga gustong mag-order hanggang sa nag-offer na kami into reselling, hanggang sa napunta kami into franchising, hanggang sa ngayon ay naging worldwide na yung business namin. Ang best sellers namin ngayon, syempre hindi mawawala yung flagship product namin na flavored leche flans kasi dyan kami nagsimula. From one flavor, napunta kami sa 2 hanggang sa nagkaroon kami ng 4 na flavors in one tin can. And then, eventually, nagkaroon din kami ng fantasy cake. So, leche flan na merong cake. And then, we tried to support the local community. So, we are supporting yung mga local farmers natin. Like, meron kaming flavor na gawa sa dark chocolate from Davao. And then, nagkaroon din kami ng ubi halaya. At napakadami pang iba. So, ngayon, meron kami, I think, almost 30 products na naka-out in the market.
We didn't try to create a product na hindi alam ng tao. So, ang leche flan kasi, ever since, alam na natin yan eh. So, what makes it unique and stands out from the rest is the flavors added to the traditional leche flans. So, one, on the business side, you know, it's not really hard to market kasi alam naman ng tao kung ano yung leche flan. So, dinagdagan natin siya ng flavor, which is mas naging interesado tuloy ang mga tao because ano kayang lasa ng leche flan na may flavor? So, yun ang naging uniqueness namin, yun ang naging edge namin compared sa ibang mga brands. Plus, also, we use premium products or ingredients as well. Asenso tip #1, you have to find out kung anong hilig mo. People say, walang kita sa passion na yan. But no, that's not true. Everything starts sa passion. Second, alamin mo kung may market ba yan. Diba? How much do you know about your passion that you can share in the market? Third, you don't have to invest. The only thing that you have to invest is your time.
Once you have the proper values, dagdagan mo pa ng proper knowledge. Either matuto ka sa experiences mo along the way, or matuto ka from other successful people na sila dapat yung pinakikinggan mo, or ikaw mismo yung maghahanap ng paraan para matutunan ng isang bagay. Ang business, hindi yan puro profit lang. Bago ka magkaroon ng profit, you have to know how to deal with people, how to deal with your customers, with your suppliers, with your partners, and everyone who's part of the business. Hindi yan, kumbaga hindi yan success mo lang or ikaw lang yung nakagawa ng success mo. Another thing is, dapat in-embrace ng tao ang setbacks. Hindi mawawala yan sa business. Kahit successful ka na ngayon, may darating na mga times na magkakaroon pa rin ng mga setbacks and failure. Hi mga ka-Pinoy! So kung gusto nyo pong matikman ang aming mga produkto or kung gusto nyo pong magnegosyo, meron po kaming website. It's www.whatsyourflaninternational.com. Pwede nyo rin pong bisitahin ang aming Facebook page. That's What's Your Flan -Main. or pwede nyo rin po kaming kontakin at 0916-497-8876. That's Viber ready.
Asenso Ka Pinoy.